Hey everyone, my name is Tal and welcome to my channel. Today just have a quick unboxing of the Scarlett Focusrite Solo 3rd generation audio interface here for you guys. This is my first audio interface, and yeah, I have moved on to something else, but in all transparency, I recorded this unboxing probably about a year ago and I just never got around to doing anything with it. But I don't know, I figure why not? Maybe someone out there would want to see what this thing looks like brand new in the box. And yeah, it came in this brown ugly box, but it's a box inside a box. Here you go with this. Yeah, 3rd generation, 2 in, 2 out. And it's a really nice and overall simple audio interface to use if you're anyone that wants to get into audio recording, whether it be making videos or making podcasts or anything like that. I know for my podcast, a couple of us still use the Scarlett Solo, and a couple people use the 2i2, which is just it has 2 inputs. And yeah, it's overall really simple. It's explaining it right there. Literally, to connect it to your computer, it just takes one USB cable, and that powers it, and that transfers the data and everything. Yep, there it is. Comes with the cable too. So it's USB-C to USB-A, USB-A to your computer, USB-C to the Focusrite itself. And yep, simple to plug in, and literally just it takes no time to get started with this thing. And yeah, you can see right here, this is something that I do like about the Scarlett, is just this bright red kind of, I think it's an aluminum body on it, and it feels really sturdy, feels really quality. And it just looks nice. I mean, imagine just putting this on your desk. I mean, someone's probably gonna ask what it is. I prefer just like a simple black audio interface, but I can't deny this kind of like candy apple red. It looks really cool. And for I believe they're still running for about $109 if you want this. And honestly, for that price, you can't really say no to it. On the back here, you have some line outputs. Those are going to be mainly to speakers, so you have left and right, and you can connect it to anything. But if you have any external audio that you want to connect it to, and then right here you can see the one microphone, the XLR cable on the left. You have a 48 volt. That's for phantom power. That's to power your microphone. Some mics will need extra power, some mics won't. You have a gain knob right there, which the gain is just gonna help kind of increase the volume for you guys. There's that air button. I don't really understand the purpose of the air button. It just changes the way that your voice sounds. I think it's supposed to kind of give them extra like bit of graininess to your voice, like a radio producer. You have an instrument input right there. You have like you just have to press that button right there, and it turns on the instrument input. You can change the gain for the instrument, and that's just a standard like 1/4 inch audio jack, so you can plug in guitar, you can plug in keyboards, anything to that. Right here you have your monitor knob, and that's just for changing the volume of your headphones that you'll have plugged in right there. Again, it's a 1/4 inch audio jack, so you might need an adapter if you normally have like a 3.5 millimeter, which is like the standard audio jack that you'll see in cars and everything. And all you have to do is click that direct from the interface itself. That way you don't have to go through any extra software or anything. You can just hear yourself directly from it, and it gives you the best hearing for what you're talking to. And yeah, for $109, I'm extremely happy with this thing. When I used it, I don't think you can really say anything bad about it. I will say that if you want kind of a nice combo for an audio interface and like headphone amplifier, I wouldn't say that this is the best bet, just because the headphone amplifier in it's not the greatest. I know at the time I tried powering my AKG 7XXs on it, and I would have to bump up the monitor knob all the way, and it just wasn't the greatest for that. So if you have some higher end headphones that need external amplifiers, then probably not your best bet. Other options would be like the Mo2 M2 and a couple others. Some more higher end ones might have some better amplifiers in them, but the Focusrite here, it's not the greatest thing. If you're big into your headphones or speakers or anything, you'll have to have some other equipment. But as a mic input, as a microphone audio interface, I can't say anything bad about this. I'll probably put some links down in the description for you guys to Amazon, just because I do think that this is, for the price, I don't think you can go wrong with this at all. It'll make any microphone that you have sound significantly better. Even if you don't need phantom power, it will make it sound so much better. So yeah, if you guys like this video, if you guys want to see more, subscribe, like the video and everything. I'm going to post a couple more videos about just audio producing and everything. So keep an eye out for that, and have a good one.